Here is a more detailed account of the life of Prophet Adam. Prophet Adam, the first human and first prophet, was created by God from clay and breathed into life. He was placed in the Garden of Eden, a paradise on earth, where he lived with his wife Eve, Hawa in Arabic. They were given the task to care for the garden and live a life of righteousness. However, Satan, known as Iblis in Islamic tradition, tempted them to disobey God's command not to eat from the forbidden tree. Adam and Eve succumbed to the temptation, and as a result, they fell from grace and were expelled from the Garden of Eden. Adam repented and sought forgiveness from God, who forgave him and taught him how to pray and make amends. Adam then lived out his days on earth, praying, teaching his children righteousness, and building a community. He had many children, including Cain, Abel, and Seth, and taught them the ways of God. However, his sons Cain and Abel had a dispute, leading to Cain killing Abel, making him the first murderer. Adam continued to live a righteous life, praying and seeking God's guidance. He died at the age of 930 years old, passing on his legacy as the father of humanity and a prophet of God. In Islamic tradition, Adam is considered a prophet and a messenger of God, and his story is seen as a reminder of human frailty and the importance of seeking forgiveness and living a life of righteousness.